Hey there everyone, my name is Maddie and I'm so excited you're here. You are watching AFI DIYs and today we'll be making a tub and tile cleaner. This cleaner is great for just about any bathroom surface. It's also naturally derived with all chemical ingredients being biorenewable. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we'll need in order to make this product. For supplies you'll need rubber gloves, safety goggles, a large beaker, a glass stirring rod, a container for packaging the product. To make about 16 ounces of product you will need 91% or 14.56 ounces of deionized water, 4% or 0.64 ounces of citric acid, 5% or 0.8 ounces of Ammonyx LO Special, 1/4 teaspoon of fragrance, 1/4 teaspoon of preservative. Here at AFI, we pride ourselves in providing you top quality fragrances to help your business succeed. We have thousands of options to choose from, so there's something for everyone. Today, we chose Cherry Pomegranate. That smells really good. Well, the sharp and sweet notes of cherry are sure to leave your bathroom smelling fresh. We're almost ready to start the DIY, but first, let's put on our gloves and goggles. Great, now we're ready to go. Start by combining the deionized water, citric acid, and Ammonyx LO Special into your beaker. Next, stir until uniform. Also, don't forget to add your fragrance and preservative and stir well. Lastly, just transfer the product into your packaging of choice, preferably a spray bottle for easy application. Perfect! Now your tub and tile cleaner is complete. To use, just spray on any solid bathroom surface and let it sit long enough to penetrate grime, soap scum, and hard water stains. Finish off by wiping it away with a wet towel or sponge, and your bathroom will be sparkling in no time. This DIY just cost us right under $1. It can be sold wholesale from $2 to $3 and retail for $5 to $7. Another great product that would pair great with this one is our DIY Fizzing Toilet Cleaner. And be sure to check that one out. Your customers will love that they can clean their entire bathroom with your line of products. Well guys, that's all for today's episode. If you found it helpful, leave us a like and subscribe, and we'll be sure to make more content just like this for you. We can't wait to see you guys in the next one, and until then, I'm Maddie. Bye!